You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this airport in London, or around London, one of the biggest in Europe and in the UK for sure. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the UK, in England that are confusing, stay tuned. So London Heathrow. It's a bit like he throws, you know, he throws the ball, but without the S. Heathrow. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward actually. London Heathrow Airport. More airport names for you here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.